Hi guys! So it's Vlogmas day 9. Today is Sunday, so it's a family day. We will probably go to the mall later and meet some relatives. So that's it for today. Yesterday I was vlogging with my iPhone since I've left this camera, so I'm sorry guys for the crappy videos yesterday. But today we're bringing this with us. Crabs and soup for lunch. We're now looking for gifts for my Korean friends for my Korea tour. So, ano bang magandang bigay sa kanila? Let's see. Fitting dito kasi walang fitting room. Wait lang. Ayan, kito tayo. Ito yung suit natin, nasa Pasko. Sa akin blue, sa'yo red. Okay lang. Okay lang. Ngayon, alis na tayo. Kasi super daming tao. So we're here at F21 and they're on sale. Their winter clothes are on sale. So this is my stuff. So we're just gonna go back another day to shop because ang daming tao, super daming tao na yung mga lines laging mahaba. If there's a short line, yung items naman hindi ganun ganda. So we're gonna go back on a weekday kasi it's dami, intense ang mga tao. Daming tao, nakakahilo. Huh? Feeling ko buong week na yan. Oo, kasi last time. Hi guys! So it's dinner time already and we're now here at Nepal to look for a place to eat. Dito sa Nepal, madaming kakainan na iba-ibang cuisine. So if tamad na kayo maghanap sa mall and everything, dito na lang kayo pumunta. Sushi. I left my camera sa sister ko dahil inutusan akong maglakad at bumili ng pampasalubong from Pampanga dito sa Sushi's. Nabili na natin yung mga bangka from Sushi's. So, now we're going back to my bed.
Good night. Thank you for watching. Good day night. Santa's going come tomorrow. Wait there. Nay! Oh, oh!